Good afternoon. We're on the Euro GBP today with volumes tapering off, as you can see, as price approaches the analysis boundary. Bearish momentum overall, only 4-ish% probability of going long. So this is a very likely point of reversal for price since volumes have tapered off going long. Markups are not working. There aren't any buyers in the pictures. Euro GBP going short here. $2,500 invested in a low 5-minute binary option. Oops, price has changed. Let's go back in there. That usually happens when there's a big fluctuation real quick when we miss the price. So we're in the trade now. And we're chasing after a low option here, bouncing off of the analysis boundary. Look at the volumes there, very low towards the top side with markup prices towards the long side not really working. So this is a very high probability short side trade, given that ITM Genesis Elite is also pointing out that long probabilities are almost non-existent. So we're going to pause and come back with the results shortly. Okay, we're back with roughly 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining on this trade. Beautiful, as you can see, very nicely taken straight off of the analysis boundary. Very high probability bounce. At the time, the probability of continuing long was 3-ish% according to ITM Genesis Elite. Plus, volumes had tapered off at the analysis boundary generated by ITM Genesis Elite, giving us a very high probability picture. We couldn't take the boundary trade identified by ITM Genesis Elite because boundary options weren't unfortunately available on the broker at the time. So we went with a 5-minute short option instead, which was equally fine. And as you can see, the results are spectacular. Once again, now we're at the low strength boundary. This is always a point of reversal. So let's analyze this reversal. You see that green bar? Price is now trying to reverse. How do we know if that's a valid reversal, and will it affect our trade? Are we in danger here? So let's have a quick look at the volumes at that reversal, and look at that little red bar indicating very low volume here. This is classic smart money behavior at points of resistance or support, where they try and mark up the price to test if buyers will re-enter the scenario. But because the volumes are so low, I'm very confident here that price is just being marked up and will be continuing short side again. So look at that volume, very low compared to the bearish volume on the bar before it, which is a clear sign of just price markup with no buyers available at the moment to continue that markup, and we're undoubtedly going to see price reverse short, as you can see with that wick forming. But we don't have to wait around. We're there now. So we've got just time left to calculate expiry. We've won this trade with a $4,250 gross return on a $2,500 investment here. Very simple, very high probability trade on the Euro GBP. Everything identified for you by ITM Genesis Elite and backed up by volumes. Thank you.